Hi guys, Gareth the Video Tribe here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos. Now, I'm not going to show you how to create those end cards or those end screens in this video. I've already done that in another one. I will link it somewhere on this video or in the description below if you would like to know how to design these cards and add them to your videos. Now, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how to add and link those videos to your end screens inside of YouTube itself. Now, end screens are a fantastic way for you to be able to get more watch time, increase your viewer retention rates, and to be able to grow your channel. YouTube loves it when people watch more than one video and stay on your channel for longer, so they will reward you by sharing your content out further. So it's really important that you use end screens to help grow your channel. Now, whether or not you're just pointing and telling them what to watch next, or whether you have the end card like we did in that other video, where we actually put a holding card at the end, which was designed to stay there for 15 to 20 seconds to make sure that we're giving people time to take the action that we want before the next video loads. Because if you don't use end cards and the next video loads, then all that's going to happen is they're probably going to move on to a competitor's channel and you're going to lose that viewer. So it's really important that you use these inside all of your YouTube videos, regardless of whether you've designed that YouTube end screen or not. Okay, let's jump onto my computer and I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is going to manage videos. Once inside your studio, select the video you want to add the end card to. So for this training video, I will go inside this video and click Details. Once inside, scroll down to End Screens on the right, click Edit. And then inside, you will see that you are able to add different videos. Now, I've already got a video and a subscribe option here, but you could also add a playlist or multiple videos if you wanted, as well as links to your channel itself to be able to go back to the channel to decide what they want to do next. Now, this is a great way to get more subscribers and, as I said before, to get people to watch more of your videos, but you must realize that you can only do a maximum of 20 seconds. So I always recommend doing less than 20 seconds. 20 seconds can feel like a long time if you've got a holding card like I do at the end here. So just 20 seconds with nothing happening. So I like to put it for about 10 to 15 seconds to give people time to read what the videos say and take the desired action. So what you want to do is select where you want the videos to start showing. So I can see the transition here shows up and automatically the video here is in the holding area that I have set up in my end screen here. I also have the subscribe option here that you can add as well. So often you will see some templates to be able to select here, but otherwise you could just go into Element, select what you want to add, which could be, as I said, video, playlist, subscribe, channel, or a link if your channel is monetized. And then you would go and select, for this one, I'm going to select a video. So now you can see that I have two different elements here added. I can choose a specific video, which I recommend. This is why I say to bulk record all of your videos together, to make mini playlists when you're creating your videos, because if you plan them in advance, you're going to know that the next video is congruent to what they're watching now. So for example, I created a video on how to create those end screens inside a design tool to be able to quickly create them and add them to the end of your videos. The natural next video will be showing you how to add it, which is what I'm doing in this video, how to add it inside of YouTube once you've uploaded your video. So that's congruent. People are more likely to want to watch a video like that next. So if you don't have videos that you've decided on, and you don't have to have these end cards, you could just do what some people do and point to the next video, say watch this video next, or subscribe here, thanks for watching. But just make sure there's enough time for them to take the desired action. I do notice that a lot of people say watch this video next, and then the video ends like 3 seconds later before they can even get the opportunity to click on that video to watch the next one. So you're going to lose people if you don't give them time to take their desired action. So for the sake of this, I can move them around anywhere I want and then put it there. So for this one, I'm going to say choose specific video. And then once inside, select the video that you want to add. So I'm going to add, say, this one. And now you can see that that is showing up. Once you've adjusted it to make sure that it starts where you want it to start, so it's not over your face or anything like that, then what you're going to be able to do is make sure that it comes in at the right time. And once done, that's it. All you have to do then is click save, and now that end screen will be in your video and people are going to be able to take that action once your video ends in the last 20 seconds. Now, if you've got any questions regarding that, always ask in the comments. I'll happily answer those for you. And if you got value out of this video, then please hit the like button, as this helps grow our channel and helps us reach more people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the next training video.